everybody, welcome back to Wobbly Life today. Mom, can you say it? What? Mom, it's fine. I know how to. We're gonna be escaping the flood with my mom for the okay, the flood should be here, so go look. Come on, Mom. I'm gonna drive you to the water. We're not gonna crash into it. Oh, you're turning the car. Get out, Rick. Come on. The water should be rising. It's rising. See that? Look, it's rising. We gotta run. You know what that means? My mansion's flooded. That $1 million mansion I got? Flooded. So we gotta go. Yeah, and I have a limited fund. Oh, and the way to cure the water is at the labs. We have to do a lab. Yes. Yeah, but the lab's floods, but it's at high ground. Yeah. Yeah, but it's still gonna flood up. So, we gotta go in my tiny truck. Yeah. Climbing up a snowman. Should we get food? I mean, the water's nowhere near. But then it would flood the science lab. This is our only chance to save the world.
No time to stop to eat.
Yeah, we'd rather stop. Oh, and you're gonna like it. Boy, you wanna know something?
Wait, what was that wobbly back there? Is he building a snowman?
No, they're throwing snowballs.
Oh.
You wanna know something? We have a limited time because the lab can flood. So we have to make at least 1 or 2 potions first. But if we make 0, then the world is dead and we all fall. Stay in the truck.
Okay, now I feel like a kid. Stay in the truck.
Because I had to hit the button. I'm not letting this beautiful truck flood. Actually, so, ditch the truck. We'll leave it everywhere in this place. Okay, this is the lab. You want to know who that lab guy is?
Oh gosh.
I'm not going to sing it. Okay, we can shrink him.
You can shrink people? That's so mean.
We're gonna fix him.
I mean, he is in a lab, so
is he a normal wobbly size? Okay, we need an orange potion. And when it starts to flood, we go to the highest place in the lab, and then we okay, this should be the potion. Don't make any more games. So wait until this one's done. Now, we need 1 or 2, but the rest of them are just because we cannot finish this.
wait, where's the white cat?
Yeah, that's my actual.
Oh.
Wait, where's your? Oh. You gotta be quick. You gotta be the right one. Where I follow me. crush this truck.
Wait, what about our...
We already had one. Just go on foot. It's no time. Let the truck die. No longer
What?
Jump. I'll hit the button and save the world.
Oh, I see the fly.
Dead. Save the world. The flood's gone, Mom. See? Look, I saved us. Hey, we can still turn this potion for extra money. Yeah, I don't.
But I was about to die.
What? You're fired. I wasn't talking about you. Oh, I forgot to tell you. He said he's gonna flood the world. But what should we do next? Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. This thing breaking. Why is it not working? Did I turn off? Oh, hold on. We'll stop it after this. But cars are supposed to be big.
The cars are unbreakable.
There aren't supposed to be on. Maybe we have to enlarge it. Mom, stop! I might have messed this. If this is okay, there's like a normal car over there. If it can break, then we'll actually stop.
We gotta check out what's going on with the cars and Wobbly life. You broke my back though.
It was because I didn't go fast enough. What? Oh right, there's bombs in this place, so we don't bomb in this Jeep. It doesn't break it. Why the bomb not break? Mom, stand back. I can make the bomb bigger.
Oh my gosh.
The game's broken. It didn't even take any damage. Vehicle. Vehicles.
No vehicle.
What? Okay. Now let's test the car. What's happening? Why is it? Or why are they not breaking? Hey, buddy! What? What is going on? And I'm hitting explode every vehicle, so that means something. Now crash your car into something. What is going on? What the? What is that? That guy's on fire.
You hit explode.
Yeah, but he's not exploding. What happened to this game? Azimuth is never broken. I'm turning off everything that says vehicle. Turn off. So that means everything that was turned on, it's customized, should be turned off. Yes. What? why is it floating? What is this? What? And now I'm hitting something. It was breaking earlier. What is happening?
What is happening, Wobbly? I think that's
I haven't touched anything since like 5 videos earlier, and I crashed the car and it broke.
What should we check out?
Why is this not working? I found everything.
What?
Why were our cars not working?
I don't know.
Hold up. Wait. It's only been... Why is this... No, I'm gonna explode it. Okay. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one on Mom, hit the window button on the keyboard. That one. Yeah. Now, go there. Bye, everybody.